In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bridge tokens from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain easily and efficiently. If you've been navigating the world of blockchain, you might have come across the term bridging. But what exactly does it mean? Well, in simple terms, bridging refers to the process of transferring tokens between different blockchain networks. In our case, we're transitioning tokens from Ethereum, which uses standards like ERC20 and ERC721, to Binance Smart Chain, where tokens are typically issued under the BEP20 and BEP721 standards. When moving a token from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, you don't actually move the original token per se. Rather, you lock or burn it on Ethereum and then mint or release an equivalent token on Binance Smart Chain. This ensures that your tokens maintain their value and integrity across both blockchain ecosystems. To get started, you'll need a wallet that can operate on both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain networks, like MetaMask, which you should have configured for both Ethereum mainnet and BSC. Remember, having some crypto reserved for gas or transaction fees on both networks is essential. To begin the bridging process, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your wallet if you haven't done so already. With MetaMask or a similar wallet, ensure you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet as your from network. Don't forget to add the BSC network configurations too, so you can switch to it later to receive your bridged tokens. Next, you'll choose a bridge service. Head over to the website of your preferred service. Popular options include Sealer C Bridge, Umbria Narni, or Binance Bridge. Once you're on the site, connect your wallet and select your source and destination networks. In this situation, you'll be transferring from Ethereum mainnet to Binance Smart Chain, which some platforms might label as BSC or BNB chain. Now, it's time to select the specific token you wish to bridge and decide on the amount, being aware that there might be minimum amounts required. Following this, you'll need to approve the transaction. Typically, this involves an approval step on the Ethereum side, allowing the bridge smart contract to operate with the token, and this will incur gas fees. After approving, confirm the transaction to lock or burn the token on Ethereum. It's important to know there might be a waiting period as the bridge processes your request, which can range from seconds to several minutes depending on the bridge. Once you receive the signal that the bridge is completed, switch your wallet's network to Binance Smart Chain. Here, you may need to claim or receive the token. Some bridges do this automatically, while others require manual action. Finally, verify that you've received your tokens by checking your Binance Smart Chain wallet in MetaMask. If you don't immediately see them, you might need to add a custom token using the contract address. Always check the transaction hash on BSC Scan for confirmation. Keep in mind that you'll need some BNB in your Binance Smart Chain wallet to cover any subsequent transactions, such as swapping or moving tokens. And there you have it. A complete guide to bridging tokens from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. Happy bridging!